Hi guys, it's Karina. Thank you for purchasing template 8. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial or a quick flower using our template 8. So this is the flower we're going to create today. We are going to make it slightly larger, but essentially it's going to look the same, just a little bit larger, okay? Today, so what you're going to need are your template. Okay, so your template 8. So you do receive 13 different sizes, but you will need, going from the top to bottom, you will need the second one, the third one, the fifth one, and the 8th, and the 10th. Okay, so from going down. And honestly, I mean, you can create as many different sizes with those, but those are the sizes that I will be using today. You will be needing scissors. Let me find them. Here we go. Scissors. You will be needing your glue gun. Okay. Pencil to trace your petals, and cardstock. Okay. I am going to be using this beautiful. Let me show you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I get many inquiries regarding this color. Not too sure how it's showing up in video, but it is by Mohawk and it is a very light blush pink. It is absolutely gorgeous. I do get mine from Kelly Paper or the Paper Mill store. I will tell you though, it is pricey for 250 sheets. It's around $30, but let me tell you, it is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let's talk about your petals. You are going to need 6 of all the petals. So we're going to be using 5 of them. Okay, so these are the 5 that I used. And you're going to need 6, 6, 6, 6, and then the smallest one, 5. Okay. You will be needing also, so when you get your templates, you're also going to be receiving 3 different size circles. You're going to need a large, and trace it the color of the cardstock that you're going to be using, because we will be needing that as well. Okay, so let's get started. So there's no curling involved here. All you're going to do, once you have cut your trace, then you cut your petals, what you're going to do is you're going to slightly fold and crease about 2 inches maybe, so don't go all the way up. And then with your scissors, you're going to cut. And then just with your glue, just add a tiny dot at the corner and glue. Okay, that's it. You're going to do this to all the petals. I already did all of mine just because for time purposes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So you're gonna grab your largest petals, and you're going to add a tiny little dot of glue at the corner, and then place your next petals. So the trick here is that you will be trying to create a circle. Now I do add a tiny little dot of glue just because, I mean, I'm not perfect, you know, and if you find that your circle was not looking like a circle, you can always lift up the petals and replace them. Okay. Let's see, I have one more. Okay, so perfect example right here. As you can see, I need to readjust this petal, and that's okay. That's why I had said to do a tiny little dot. And then let's add another dot here. And there you go. You see my circle? So again, guys, it's okay to make mistakes. I make them all the time, but I fix my mistakes. Okay, now remember I told you to trace out that large circle? Well, because we need to close this gap. So you're going to have to add glue go around. And then just add it to the top. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get your second largest petals. Now we're going to be going in between. So we're gonna add some glue. And then start gluing in between those first petals that we laid. And just keep going around in circles, guys. And we're gonna be doing this until we reach the end of all the petals. So what I'm going to do, because this is gonna be boring, I'm just gonna fast forward it. Keep on watching though, but I will fast forward it just so it goes a little bit quicker, and I'm gonna glue the rest of the petals, and then I will come back and chat with you guys once I have placed, once I get to my smallest petals, okay? So I'll be right back. Putting in my last ones. Now remember the smaller ones, I said only do 5. So that's what we're gonna do. Just do 5, okay? Just because 6, for me 6 won't fit, so we're just gonna do 5. All right, and there you go. Love this flower. It's so full and beautiful. Now again, you have 13 different sizes of petals, so you can make this as large as you want and as full as you would like. Now for the center, I have the Cricut machine, so I like to add this fun little large pom to the center. I just think it looks so beautiful. If you do have the Cricut machine, I am going to link my Instagram, because I did post on my Instagram a post on how to create this on the Cricut machine, and I share with you guys the measurements on how to create this pom. So I am going to be sending you guys that link. Now, you're not limited to the center. You can create any center you want, okay? I just like making this center for this type of flower. So thank you guys for watching. Look at the next video that I'm going to be sharing with you, and that is how to add the backs to the flowers if you're going to be mounting onto a wall or onto a fabric. I explain what you guys can do. If you have any questions, please message me on my Etsy at Arielise Designs or Instagram at Arielise Designs. I am more than willing to help you guys. So yeah, so just send me a message. Bye guys.